All right, we're going to practice finding the main idea by reading over this worksheet and then filling out some of the questions below. And you guys will do that either in Schoology, or you can come up with a creative way, like recording videos, to show your understanding. But let's start by just reading over the text. And you guys don't have to listen to me. You can do that independently if you'd like, but I'm going to start now. Question and answer. Read the following passage using the skills covered in the movie, then answer questions about it. Wolves are predators that live and hunt in family groups called packs. Their prey ranges from mice and rabbits to deer and moose. They work together to catch and kill prey. Then all the wolves share in the feast. Wolf packs range in size from as few as 2 or as many as 30 members. Every pack is headed by a single leader or alpha and his mate. The alpha directs all of the pack activities, and he and his mate may be the only one in the pack to have pups. Pup rearing is a family affair, with all pack members helping. Some wolves even babysit pups while the rest of the pack hunts. Wolves communicate with each other using body language, such as tail wags, and sounds, such as barks, growls, whimpers, and howls. They don't just howl at the moon. Howling is a wolf's way of saying, "This is our territory," or "Hey, the rest of the pack is over here." It turns out that wolves have a lot to say, especially about living and working together. All right, so now I'm going to let you guys come up with a way to answer the following and share it on Schoology. And then we will come back together and talk as a whole group tomorrow about some of the solutions that we came up with.